So I had a video talking about how to find the LCM. But in this video, we're going to try to find the LCM using the prime factorization method, which we talked about the previous video. So to find the LCM of 6 and 8, we said we write the multiples of 6 and 4. 6 times 1, 6 times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5, and the same thing for the number 4. Then we find the smallest number that's the same, which is 12. And this is the LCM, 12. Now let's try the other method. Let's try to write down the prime factorization of 6 using the tree method. How can we separate the number 6? 3 times 2. 3 is a prime number, so we circle it. 2 is also a prime number, so we circle it. Now we look at the 4. How can we separate 4? 2 times 2. The number 2 is prime, so we circle it. And now we circle all the numbers that are the same. For example, for 6 we have 3 and 2. And for 4 we have 2 and 2. So the number 6 we have 1, 2. And in the number 4 we also have 1, 2. So I'm going to circle it in yellow. The LCM is all the numbers in red, so 3 here in red, times 2. And now I don't take 2 and 2, I just write times 2 only once. So the numbers in yellow are considered as one number. These are one number. So 3 times 2 times 2. Or 6 times 2, which is 12. And we got the same answer with the other method. Let's try 56 and 32. 56 is 7 times 8. 7 is prime, so we circle it. 8 can be written as 4 times 2. 4 can also be separated, so we can write it 2 times 2. 2 is prime, we circle this. This 2 is also prime. And then we look at this 2, which is also prime. And now for 32. We can write 32, 16 times 2. Now 16 is 4 times 4. 4 can be written as 2 times 2. This 4 can also be written as 2 times 2. 2 is prime. This 2 is also prime. This 2 is prime. This 2 is prime. And we're not done. We have this 2 right here, which is also prime. And now let's look which numbers are the same. We have 1, 2 here, and 1, 2 here. Another 2 here, another 2 here. One more 2, one more 2. And we said to find the LCM, we multiply all the numbers in red. So 7 times 2 times 2. And then we take the numbers in yellow only once. So we don't take 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. No, we don't do that. We take this 2, this 2, and this 2. And that's it. We don't take these 2. So we have 3 2s. So this is 2, 2, 2. A lot of 2s. Now we can simplify this. 7 times 2 is 14. Times 2, times 2, times 2, times 2. And then 14 times 2, which is 28, times 2, times 2, times 2. Again, 28 times 2, which is 56, times 2 times 2. 56 times 2 is 112, times 2. And one last time, 112 times 2 is 224. We finally got our answer after all of these 2's. So you see, 224 is the LCM. It might seem more complicated this way, a lot of 2's here, but trust me, if we did it with the other way, it would have been way harder. Let's try to find the LCM of 12 and 14. So 12 is 3 times 4. 3 is a prime number. 4 is 2 times 2. And 2 is prime. And now 14. 14 is 7 times 2. 7 is a prime number. 2 is also a prime number. The next step is to take the numbers that are the same. So we have 1, 2 here and 1, 2 here, and that's it. So the LCM is all the numbers in red. So 3, 2 times 2 times 7. And only one number from the yellow. So only this 2. We don't take this 2 and this 2. No. Not these 2. No. Only one. So only from this side maybe. So times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Times 7 times 2. Now you already know how to multiply, so that's why I'm not going through this. 6 times 7 is 42 times 2. And finally, 42 times 2 is 84. So we found out that the LCM between 12 and 14 is 84. These are the problems for today. Find the LCM of these numbers using the prime factorization or the tree method. And if you haven't watched my previous videos on how to find the LCM and prime factorization, I would suggest you to do so. Please like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.